Another outcome of the war was the redefinition of Europe. So this is political and social. We start to see the decline of the monarchies, and we've been seeing a pushback to the monarchies all semester. But now we're actually going to see the monarchies failing and not coming back. So Germany, for example, is going to go from a monarchy to a republic, to a dictatorship, to being divided between Russia and free, but it's going to have a republic style government, meaning there will be representation. So we're finally starting to see, in the midst of weeks of talking about, well, they don't like the monarchies, now we're starting to see the decline of the monarchies. We're going to see the creation of new countries, and these are mainly going to come from the Austrian Empire, and this will include Hungary and Poland, countries that had been wanting to be their own countries since the 1840s, but now are finally being so. We're also going to see the Russian Revolution and the beginnings of the Cold War, which is a whole other conversation that we'll have in the next few weeks. So as I mentioned, we're going to see new countries like Poland and Czechoslovakia on the slide, but we're also going to see the colonial and imperial holdings be redistributed. And this is due to the idea of needing to punish Germany for the war. So as World War I ends, a lot of the colonies in Africa and Asia are going to be redistributed between imperial powers. And you can see the list of powers on the slide. Ultimately, what is going to happen is Germany is going to lose most of its imperial holdings. Now, some of these holdings are actually going to go to Japan, which will help with Japanese buildup and lead to World War II. Other ones are going to go to Britain, which will continue to be a dominant nation, and France, which will be a big deal when we get to decolonization.